If you've got a mobile bar for weddings and parties for hire, and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're certainly in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to do exactly that. Build a simple website for your mobile bar. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial, and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, mobile bar. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our mobile bar service so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region over here. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business to service. Click on continue and let Marty Sites work its magic with the information I've just put in. Awesome, and look at that. It's literally generated a whole website for me with the information I've just put in. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of your mobile bar at events or wedding, perhaps, and you want to showcase it on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services or different bar options. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. Let's get started. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself. So let's click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box, show email on site, so my customers can easily reach out. Phone number, let's pop it in over here. That is click to call, by the way. Now, your address, you obviously are a mobile service, so you can leave that off. But if you happen to have a physical location as well, you can put it in here. Great thing about it, it will be displayed on your website. Your customers can actually click on it and get directions to your physical location. And update social links is where we can put in the various social media platforms our business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of the website. Under our logo, if you have a business logo, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out hatchful.com or canva.com. Great options if you don't have a huge budget for a logo. I personally use them myself, and they're both great for a free logo. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, etc., zoom in, add filters or frames, click on that pencil over it. Otherwise, click on save, and here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller to suit your needs. Now, with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors. If you'd like to change them, you don't need to know color coding at all. Click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color options available for you to use to suit your business. For each section that you'd like to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Search through that photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, or you can connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those photos. Under update action is where you can change that button text and the link where it links to, even upload a PDF file if you wish to. When your customers click on that button, automatically download the PDF file. At the last section, we have a lead generation form. You'll keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Every time you get a new lead, you'll get notified via your registered email as well. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the yellow connect your domain. And if you don't have a domain yet, go ahead and purchase one by clicking on that button as well to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.